Part 13, Elementor Pop-ups. Creating pop-ups with Elementor Pro is a fun experience, and this is the last development part of our project. From the main dashboard menu, go Templates, Pop-ups, and click Add New Pop-up. Name it as Login Pop-up, and click Create Template. Close Elementor's Templates library, and click on the Settings gear icon in the bottom left-hand corner. In the Settings tab, under Layout, set the width as 350 pixels, and disable the Close button. In the Style tab, first, click on the circle arrow to remove the shadow box, then, under Overlay, set the color as entirely white and without any transparency. In the Advanced tab, enable the following three options: Prevent closing on overlay, prevent closing on escape key, and disable page scrolling. In the Open by Selector field, we will use the CSS class to trigger our pop-up, so type in .wp_none_login_popup. From Elementor's Widgets menu, drag the WS Form Pro widget inside the pop-up box, and select Login Form as its content. Let's click on Publish, add the condition to display on the entire site, click Save and Close, and exit to Dashboard. From the Templates Pop-ups menu, add New, and name it as Forgot Pop-up. Bypassing Elementor's library, and clicking on the Settings gear icon, most of the Forgot Pop-up settings are the same as the Login Pop-up. In the Settings tab, set 350 pixels width, and disable the Close button. In the Style tab, set No Shadow Box, with entirely white, no transparency overlay. In the Advanced tab, enable the first three options. The only change is that we will use a different CSS class in the Open by Selector field for triggering this pop-up, namely .wp_none_forgot_popup. From Elementor's Widgets menu, drag the WS Form Pro widget inside the pop-up, and select Forgot Form as its content. Now click on Publish, add the condition to display on the entire site, click Save and Close, then exit to Dashboard. Following our previous steps again, let's create our third and last pop-up, naming it Reset Pop-up. Bypassing Elementor's library, let's open the Settings panel by clicking on the Settings gear icon. In the Settings tab, set 350 pixels width, and disable the Close button. In the Style tab, set No Shadow Box, with entirely white and no transparency overlay. In the Advanced tab, enable the first three options. Only this time, leave the Open by Selector field empty. From Elementor's Widgets menu, drag the WS Form Pro widget inside the pop-up, and select Reset Form as its content. Now as we click on Publish, our parameters will be different from the previous two pop-ups. Add condition, and select Singular instead of the entire site. Then select Pages. In the New field, start typing XYZ, and the title of our XYZ page will appear, so select it, then click Next. In the Triggers section, enable On Page Load and set the delay value as empty, for the pop-up to open immediately. And only now, click on Save and Close, then exit to the Admin Dashboard. Now is the time for us to reactivate our blank keys logic. From the WS Form top bar menu, hover over Reset Form and select the Edit option. Go to the Conditional Logic panel by clicking on the double-headed arrow icon in the top menu, then click on the Stop icon next to the blank keys condition to enable this logic. Click Save and Close, and publish the form to save the changes. Please note that if you want to amend the Reset pop-up in the future, you must temporarily disable the blank keys logic before editing it in Elementor. We are now ready to perform the first test of our pageless login reset system.